Welcome back to the U of How To. We're continuing here with Google Classroom. So let's open up Google Classroom. Okay, and now that I have two classes in here, I can actually show you a few things. So before I actually go into a class, if I go up to this menu here, we have a few options. Okay, so once we start assigning work to our students, we can go to this to review section, and that'll show us what we still need to review and what has already been reviewed or marked. Okay, so that's one thing. I can select which class I want to go to. Okay, archived classes that we will get to at the end of a term or semester. Okay, when we are finished with the course, we archive it. And then there are some settings. Okay, and one other thing is your calendar. So if I click on calendar, right now there's not really much showing. We're in August, we're not in school here yet. Okay, and so I can select all my classes and it would show me things that are due coming this week. I can pick a specific class, and so for example, if I go to the sample class and I go back to, I believe it was in July when I made a video. Okay, so there's this demo assignment and I had it due for 11:59 p.m. on July 16th, and so it would show up in this calendar. Okay, and if I click on the calendar up here, it just takes me right to today. Okay, and so the last thing in this menu is your settings. Okay, and so right now everything is checked on, but you can decide which features you don't want notifications for. Okay, and or you can just say I don't want any notifications if you don't want to get emails regarding your Google Classroom activity. Okay, or you can turn off for a specific class. Okay, so I can turn off notifications from one class and not another, instead of turning them all off.